Hello everybody. So I am at the Broker Open for 47 Raleigh, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of info. So 47 Raleigh, it is a Miranda home 2020, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1850 square feet. It looks brand new. It just got carpet. It's just a gorgeous house. And to give you an idea, so $330 for if you did an FHA loan, it would be $11,550 down, and then closing costs would run about $14,850. And of course, those can always be negotiated. So the estimated cash to close would be $26,400. The monthly payment, this is just a scenario for an FHA. And this is just an estimate, all kind of depends on all the things, but an estimate. So the monthly estimated cost would be $2,595. That would be principal, interest, mortgage insurance, taxes, and homeowner's insurance. So just to give you an idea, now that we do have a couple people here, there is some snacks and drinks, and we do have some giveaways as well. So if you're able to pop over, we will be here for 1 more hour. So I will show you a quick tour of the house. So this is the master. Nice big closet. Brand new carpet. And then we have the living room, a fenced-in backyard. You guys are so quiet. Say hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. You want to say anything about the house?
It's beautiful. Send your people over.
Buy it. And then come enjoy all of these great snacks.
Look at Denise's shirt. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi everyone. I invited a lot of you. You should all come down, come see us, enjoy the food, come see this great house. It could be yours. Or at least your buyers.
Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm going backwards. Hopefully I don't run into a wall. You're looking at my shoes. You're watching me. Okay. All right, so this is the walk-in, which is really cool because you could do like a really, one of those where you put up the hangers and all the shoes and stuff there. Here's laundry. See how nice it is though? It's really nice. The floors are nice. Nice bathroom. And then it's 4 bedrooms, so here's one. Ceiling fans. All right, so pop over.